The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is a mid-range smartphone with decent performance. Of course, it handles basic games with minimal graphics and CPU resources nicely well. What we want to find out is how well it handles the more intensive games. And there is perhaps no better game to do that with than PUBG. Before we get started, here is a disclaimer. I am not a gamer. I really do not play mobile games. As such, this is not a proper gaming test, perhaps the kind that you have been used to. Bear with me. So there's the option to select a resource pack to download, and it's downloading the HD resource pack. This is about 1.8 gigabytes in size, so this will take a while.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting and on.
Like I said, I'm not a gamer. I really have no idea what to choose here, but I'm going to just wing my way through. The idea is to show you what's available and also see if the device is capable of handling high intensive resource games like this one. I'll get a hang of it eventually.
You can move freely on Spawn
Looks
Island
like some gameplay is here.
train.
It seems to run smoothly, which is what you really need to see, but these controls are confusing. There are so many of them. Somebody needs to explain them to me. I love this particular scene. You can see how smoothly the game runs. I think anyone will enjoy playing high-intensive games on this device. Please feel free to laugh at me. I don't know what I'm doing here exactly. I don't play these games, but I'm going to keep giving it a try till I get a hang of it, and maybe in my next smartphone gaming review you'll get something closer to a proper gaming test. If this guy's life depends on how well I'm handling this game, he's likely to end up in a grave. Well, looks like they survived.
I got supplies.
Again, the phone seems to be running the game quite smoothly. You tell me what you think. If you're a gaming person, let me know. Do leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.